Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll learn how to use UnitedHealthCare Ucard to purchase products in 2025. Without further ado, let us get started. I am in their website to make sure that the answers really came from a reliable source. Let us scroll down here, and as we can see, there are some frequent asked questions. Let us click this one since this is the problem that we are trying to solve. It says here, in store. Use your UCard to help pay approved utility bills at your local Walmart Money Center or customer service desk. Payments must be submitted to billers within the Walmart Bill Pay network. Remember to bring UCard government issued ID and a copy of your utility bill to set up bill pay. Once bill pay is set up, you can simply use your phone number to look up an account with an existing utility company or add a new one and make a payment with your UCard. Online, use your UCard to help pay approved utility bills on the same site you shop for covered products. You can easily search for an eligible company within our bill pay network to pay for utility services on your member site or the United Healthcare app. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.